If you're wondering if Synth Resume AI is the next big thing in AI software, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released tool, and I'll show you how it could change the way you approach resume building. Trust me, you won't want to miss these details, especially if you're in the job market or managing recruitment. So, what exactly is Synth Resume AI? It's a brand new AI-powered tool designed to help job seekers create top-tier resumes in just a fraction of the time it would take using traditional methods. But it's not just any resume builder. This tool tailors your resume based on the specific job you're applying for, using data-driven insights to make sure your resume stands out from the competition. First up, the user interface. It's extremely intuitive. No complicated steps or design work required. You simply input your details, and the AI takes care of the rest. Whether you're entering your work experience, skills, or education, it's designed to make the process as simple as possible. The real magic happens when the software analyzes the job description and tailors your resume to match the keywords and skills that employers are actively searching for. Next, let's talk about customization. While many resume builders offer generic templates, Synth Resume AI goes deeper. It allows for more personalized adjustments that align with both your career goals and the job you're aiming for. You can fine-tune every section, from job titles to bullet points, ensuring that your resume isn't just accurate but highly relevant to what employers are looking for. Another standout feature is the AI's ability to highlight your strengths. It doesn't just pick up on the obvious. Synth Resume AI digs into your previous work experiences, educational background, and even volunteer work, making sure the most impressive parts of your history shine through. It's an AI that truly understands how to leverage your experience. But one thing I really like is how fast it works. If you've ever spent hours tweaking a resume, you'll appreciate how our Synth Resume AI streamlines this process. In just a few minutes, your resume will be ready for submission, and you can be confident it's optimized for the role you want. Now, you might be wondering, how good is the AI at matching my resume to job descriptions? Well, Synth Resume AI uses advanced algorithms to match your resume with real-time job market data, helping your resume pass through applicant tracking systems, ATS, with ease. This means you're more likely to get noticed by hiring managers, giving you an edge in a competitive job market. Additionally, Synth Resume AI isn't just for job seekers. If you're in HR or recruitment, you can use the software to streamline the process of creating job descriptions or even analyzing resumes that come through your applicant pool. It gives a level of efficiency that's hard to beat in today's fast-paced hiring environment. Now, let's get to the best part. You can try this software completely for free. That's right. You can start using our Synth Resume AI without any commitments and see for yourself how it works. The link to get started is in the description below. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and I only recommend the ones that truly stand out. Synth Resume AI is a game changer. If you're serious about making your job application process more effective and efficient, this software should be at the top of your list. So, what are you waiting for? Check out the link below, try Synth Resume AI all for free, and take your resume to the next level. Also, don't forget to check out my other recommended AI tools that can help you boost your productivity across different tasks. The links are in the description below. Happy job hunting.